welcome back to my channel. As you can tell, I'm in the setup that I asked you guys to leave me some feedback on. A lot of you really did enjoy this setup, so I'm going to keep it. I do want to preface that I'm sitting in front of a window, and throughout these 10 years of being on YouTube, I've never really advanced with technology in the sense I've never had a ring light. I always just use natural lighting, and I realized that it bothers me when I'm editing a video and the lighting switches, so I'm sure you guys probably wish the lighting would stay consistent as well. For that fact, I'm going to get a ring light. It's just about that time. My tripod also just broke right as I was about to film this, so that's added onto the list as well. And as you guys know, my camera's broken. I got some electronics to purchase, but I do also want to mention what's on my lips because I know I'm gonna get asked a ton of questions about it. If you guys watched my previous vlog, I will have it linked above. You guys know that I am partnering with Saks Fifth Avenue, and I'm going to be featuring a lot of the brands that they offer at their store, one of them being Giorgio Armani, and as you guys can tell, they engraved this beautiful, kind of like a lip paint for me. It is called the Lip Maestro, and it's in the number 517, but it's just this beautiful, like hot fuchsia color, and I just think it's perfect for summer if you pair it with a nice brown in your crease. I just think it looks so beautiful and giving me those summer vibes. So I will have that listed down below in the description box for you if you're interested in purchasing it. But that's not what this video is about. This video is actually going to be all about hair care and 5 tips on how to make your hair healthier and stronger. My first tip is going to be rather simple, and it's to just simply change up your hairstyles. Now, I love a snatched ponytail. I love summer festival braids, but I also know how damaging wearing my hair that tight can be. When you constrict your hair like that in an elastic, it causes friction, which then causes breakage. So if you just kind of try out new hairstyles, maybe you wear your hair natural one day and try out some loose curls, or you do a wavy hair tutorial, which I will link my heatless curls video above. Check that out. Just kind of incorporating different styles will give your hair a break and not cause all of that breakage. We're wanting our hair to be healthy and vibrant, and keeping it pulled back, again, not only causes breakage, but it also makes your hairline recede. And I want my hair to be luscious like this when I'm 80, not just when I'm 24. So if you guys have watched my channel for quite some time now, you know I'm a huge advocate that diet is a determining factor in feeling good and looking good on the outside as well. So 2 key ingredients that you want to incorporate into your diet is going to be vitamin C and omega-3 fatty acids. Now, vitamin C helps produce collagen, and the production of collagen is going to help boost your hair growth. Foods that are high in vitamin C are going to be vegetables such as Brussels sprouts, broccoli. If you like fruits, try incorporating some papaya, which is one of my favorites, into your breakfast. So there's just so many ways to get vitamins through food. Now, of course, you can take supplements to supplement any vitamin deficiency that you have, but really realize that the main source of those vitamins comes from ingesting the food itself. And another key ingredient, as I mentioned, is going to be the omega-3 fatty acids. That can be found in leafy greens. It can also be found in fish. So I love having salmon on a bed of leafy greens, and I just know that I'm really nourishing my body that way. Omega-3 is going to help reduce your hair loss, and it's also going to help with that inflammation, which is going to keep your hair secured on your head. Overall, it's going to nourish the follicle and just promote healthy hair. So definitely use diet as a source of looking good on the outside, because like I said, you know, all of these tips can help, but if you're not fueling your body from the inside out, you will not see results. Now, my third tip is going to be to make sure that you're using the right products for your hair type. Now, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I will have my handle right here. You guys know that I am a hair consultant for a luxury hair care line. So I am so interested in hair, and that's because after using the products that I now work for, I've realized just how smooth and easy it is to transform your hair, and that's simply because I'm using products that are specifically targeting my concerns. So if you guys are interested, please leave me a message down below and I will suggest various products that'll treat your hair concerns. But sometimes the products that we're using, maybe they're containing sulfates, they're containing parabens, which this line line does not. It's naturally derived. So that's awesome because I can use it and know that it's not going to affect my color. And it's also not adding chemicals into my hair, which if you guys watch my channel, you guys know I love using non-toxic products. So definitely message me for a consultation. Talk to me about your hair concerns. Let me know, is your hair oily? Is it frizzy? What are your hair concerns? Do you have straight hair? Do you have thick hair? Like, what are you looking for in your hashtag hair goals? And I will definitely provide you with some products that will be most beneficial to you. Now, my fourth tip on how to get stronger and healthier hair is to use a hair turban. As you guys can tell, the texture of this Aquis hair turban, this can actually be found at Sephora. The Aquis hair towel has dry fit technology. As you can tell from the texture, this is what makes it unique from any other hair towel. The Aquis hair turban actually decreases your drying time by 50%. And so what is that gonna do? Why are you going to need a hair turban in your routine in order to get healthy hair? Well, that's simply because when you use a regular towel, your hair is going to suffer from water fatigue. That towel is not actually getting out all that extra moisture, and that's what's causing your hair to kind of be weighed down and create that frizz. The reason why you're experiencing the frizz is because your hair is swelling, which is causing, again, the molecules to frizz and break. Water retention weakens your hair, so by adding in a step such as a hair turban, you're already on the path to stronger and healthier hair. So I will link the Aquis hair turban down below. You can definitely find it at Sephora or online, and I highly, highly suggest you incorporate this into your routine. Last but not least, this is the final step. After you've taken off your hair turban, it's time to comb through your hair. Now, I know a lot of people are still using regular brushes to comb through their hair after the shower, and that is an absolute no-no. You're better off combing through with your fingers, if anything, and of course you want that hair to be damp, not wet. But if you are going to brush through your hair, you want to use something such as a wide tooth comb or a wet brush or something that's specifically targeted towards not breaking your hair. Using a regular brush is gonna tug at your hair. It's gonna, yes, get rid of those knots, but that's because it's breaking through them, not really separating the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know what your tips are for stronger and healthier hair. Also, I wanna shout out to Aquis for partnering with me on this video. I love working with brands that I truly stand by, and like I mentioned earlier, this is one of them. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel, and until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.